Science, and this video episode what we are going to show is how to do the landing gear for your model. Now in the kit you have a wire which is given, a small steel wire of about 12 inches or so, and also you have the wheels that are there in the kit also. So how to use these two to make a nice landing gear is what we are going to show in this video. The landing gear comes in handy to, if you want your model to, take off from the ground. We have tested all our models with our landing gear, and all our landing gear friendly, and they fly excellent with the landing gear. So just let's get started. Hi, welcome to Hobby Science. In this video what we will see is how to do the landing gear. Now landing gear making, the principle is the same for all the models from Hobby Science. So what we need to do is just take the wheels that have come, and you have this steel wire, which is a hard steel wire which is given. Take that, and to do the landing gear you need these tools. One is the nose plier, another one is the set square. See, this you get in any geometry box. Yeah, in your geometry box it will be there. Take the set square, a pencil and a scissor and one earbud and a scale. So with this we will be able to make the landing gear. So now what you do is just on your work table, just draw a line of about say 20 centimeters. So this is a 20 centimeter line that I have drawn, and mark the middle point, that is the 10th centimeter. Yes, this is the 20 centimeters, this is the 10th centimeter. Now at the 10th centimeter you can see this line, 20 centimeter line, and I have marked the middle point. Take the set square and then keep it on this line and draw a 90 degree along this middle line. That is for about 8 centimeters or 9 centimeters. Yes, so this is a 9 centimeter line. Now what you do is take your landing gear wire and measure for about 20 centimeters, that's here, and cut it using the nose plier. You just need 20 centimeters. Yes, so now this landing gear wire is cut for 20 centimeters, and take the middle part, midpoint of that wire again and bend it. Yeah, bend it to approximately 30 to 40 degrees, and then what you do is keep it on the vertical line that you have drawn, like this. Yes, and what you do is ensure that from this midpoint the wire is crossing at the same line. Here it is 4.5 centimeters, and here it is 4 centimeters. So just slightly move like this. Yeah. Now what you do is hold the nose plier along this line where the wire is crossing the bottom horizontal line. Take this and then bend it up. Yes, something like this. Measure again. This is 4.5, 4 and a quarter. Yeah, and here again you need to bend it. Upwards. Just see the alignment, keep it there. So on this line, this bent line, this bent wire should be aligned to that, so it's on the same line. Now what you do is leave about 1 centimeters from the tip, and that's here. It's here and here. And here you mark the reference point for you to keep checking it. Okay, and that 1 centimeter line, what you do is hold it like this, yes, and then bend it backwards, both the ends. See, so now you can see this, it's bent here and bent here, make it look straight. So from the top it should look straight. That's it, your landing gear is done. Now to attach the wheels. Now take the wheels out, just push them out. Push the wheels out, it will come out. Just a small attachment point is there. Break that, crack that attachment, and then the wheels will come out. There are 4 wheels. What we need to do is laminate 2 sets each in a cross grain. Now if you see the wood, there are these lines running, right? The lines in the wood. Take 2 of the wheels and then crisscross the lines. Like this is running from left to right. Now you do this, take the other wheel where the lines are running up to top to bottom, and this is from left to right. Keep one over the other. Yes. Take super glue and pour. Yeah, that's enough. It will get laminated tight. Make sure it doesn't get stuck to your hand. And this also the same way. Pour just 1 drop, and that's enough. Yeah. Now keep that aside. Now take this earbud. What you do is cut off the ends with the scissor and take about half a centimeter, 2 half-centimeter pieces of earbud. Now why we need this earbud is this will be the axle. Insert this earbud, what you have cut, the stem of the earbud, the tube inside, like this. Yes. If you see this, the wheel now has an axle, plastic axle. Now just relax the hole if the little bit, yeah. Then insert the tube in the other one. So now you have the 2 wheels with the earbud axles, earbud tube axles. Now take this, insert that into the earbud axle, and then take the nose plier and just bend it upwards at 90 degrees. You see this? This is bent at 90 degrees upwards. And this again, put it through the earbud axle and then bend it upward 90 degrees. Yes. So now your landing gear wheels are fixed. How to attach this to the model? Take this and then take the knife, cut a scrap piece of this length. Yeah, 2 pieces of this size and 2 more pieces, slightly thicker. You will have a lot of scrap from the parts that you already used, so don't throw them away. You will have it, you can use them for lots of repairs. And yeah, one more we need. we'll use this. Okay, so now what you do is take one, and the tip, what you do is keep it like this and then pour one drop of glue. Pour one drop of glue, and then before the glue dries, keep one more scrap on it and then press it like this. So this becomes sandwiched like this. See this? Here it has become sandwiched. Now take another. One is at the tip of the V, another one is at the place where there is a bend. Keep this together like this, again together like this, and then apply glue, one drop, and then just press and then take your hands off, because the glue will immediately get stuck at the both ends. One drop here. Yes. Now the landing gear is ready. What you need to do is take your model and then attach this, glue this using super glue to the bottom of the plane. Now I have this little flyer ready without the landing gear. What we will do is attach it somewhere here like this. Just removable, just keep it on this, and then just pour one drop of glue. That wood what you have attached is what is going to hold the landing gear to the fuselage on all the sides. One drop. So that's how you make the landing gear and attach it. Now the landing gear is done. Once it has dried, just use the rubber band to put the cabin back. Ensure that the glue has dried before you touch the model. Yeah. Now the landing gear is attached. Just so that's how you do the landing gear. And for different models of Hobby Science, you need to use different lengths of wire. In this case, we have used 20 centimeters of landing gear wire, this wire. But for different models, for bigger models, you may need to use slightly bigger landing gear. So you need to cut accordingly. The size is there. You can decide what is the size that you want to have. We have given you the wire that fits all the models from Hobby Science. Okay.